on my way to the car wash. My truck is so dirty. In fact, it's so dirty, I can write my name on the back.
It smells so good.
My car?
Yeah.
You sure it's not me? You know what? Today is going to be a great day. Point blank on period. Anyway, so good. How about just finding out they are discontinuing them? To the car wash. My truck is so dirty. In fact, it's so dirty I can write my name on the back. And I was like, girl, you know this don't make no sense. So now on my way to the car wash. Going to a car wash up the street from my house, and I do not like, because you know what? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna do it. This is going to be a great experience. They're going to wash my car. My car is going to be in well, it's going to look good. It'll be nice and clean. And that's that. So, I'll let y'all know when I get done. So, I'm at the car wash. I'm praying that I'll have a good experience this morning. My car is so filthy. In fact, so dirty that I was able to write my name on it. I'm like, that is so ridiculous. But anyway, I'm here. Get ready to get my car washed. And I'm just going to pray I'm going to have a good experience this morning. See y'all in a little bit. Hello, how are you? I'm going to get number 1 platinum and number 2.
Alright, do you like any fragrance? We have Mountain Meadow, the Ocean Breeze, and the Pure Lady.
Say the first one again.
Mountain Meadow.
Yes.
Okay. And do you want to have the hot wax today?
No, thank you.
Thanks, Monica. Your girl smells so good.
My car?
Yeah.
You sure it's not me?
Yeah, it's yours.
No, I mean, you sure it's not me? Me smelling good, not the car.
I think you are. You smell really good.
Well, thank
Have
you.
a beautiful day.
You too.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. One in the dashboard and the other one when you go to pay.
Okay, thank
That's
you.
Have a great day.
You too. Yo, my car is beeping and I'm not sure why. It's showing on this left side, but there's nothing going on this left side, so I don't know why it's beeping. You know what? Today is going to be a great day. Point blank on period, as the young ones say. So here we go, and she is going to go off. She does not like anything surrounding her, touching her. She will go off. So here we go. I'm in a car wash. She does not like getting a car wash. I think now she's trying to calm down. It's going to be alright, Snowfall. It is going to be okay. You're fine. Fine. Have a good one. So just finishing up from the car wash. Oh my goodness. The fragrance that they put in, he put a lot in here. But again, I had to let them know. I hate going to the grocery store, but I have to go. y'all, I get these french fries from Wegmans. Those who know me know I love me some fries. I can eat them morning, noon, and night, all day long. So Wegmans have a brand by them. They're Wegmans. And they have the potato skin on them. They are so good, y'all. And they only cost like $2 a bag or $3, something like that. Anyway, so good. How about just finding out they are discontinuing them? For real? I mean, I am just so upset now. Like, what am I going to do? Where am I going to find some new fries from? I just cannot believe this. I was not expecting this. I was like, when I go in there today, if they don't have my fries, I'm getting a manager. So, God was working out. I said, I've been here 3 weeks and no fries. So he was like, let me go check. He went to check, no fries. He calls another guy. The guy said, I'm going to go and see what's going on. Oh, yeah, ma'am. I think they're going to discontinue them. They're not sure yet. First of all, don't call me ma'am. I don't like that. It makes me feel like I am old. Two, I'm like, what? Why? And they're Wegmans fries. Does that make any sense? Oh, what am I going to do? I need help. I'm just getting back from the grocery store. You know, y'all probably say she is always going to the grocery store. Yes. Every week, every 2 weeks. I'm going to show y'all what I got. But let me go to the bathroom real quick. I need to really clean my house, but not sure if that's going to happen today. I'm just feeling lazy, y'all. Even this week, I just kind of was feeling a little down. I'm being honest. Just started a new job. I'm trying to get used to that. Some things have been happening at work to the point I'm like, am I going to quit, resign, get my 2 weeks? What? I need a job, but I'm just like not sure what I want to do. Well, I actually said that I am going to give it a chance. But it seemed like the type of situation where you take 2 steps forward and then 2 steps back. Or 1 step forward, 2 steps back, however you want to say it. Kind of feels like that situation. Let's see that thing. And so I was listening to Pastor Keon Henderson. That's Shawnee Shack's ex-wife. That's her husband. And I was listening to a sermon. Actually, it was the Easter Sunday sermon. And it really blessed me. I didn't watch the whole thing through. I think I had maybe like 30 minutes left. It was like an hour and a half. But I saw it again and then again at work. And I was like, I took some notes down and it was talking about you have the power. And I mean, it just truly blessed me. And I was like, yes, that is so true. So at work in the morning, I will read my notes and then be like, you know what, today is going to be a great day. He also spoke about that, about you having the power over your life. You only can control what you can control. And we do know that it's easier said than done. But when you really think about it, it's like you are in control. You are the one that can allow someone to make you upset or not. But it's totally up to you. So, like, again, that truly blessed me. And I was, just listening throughout the week and just implementing that in with my daily routine. Like, anything come up, like, you got the power. For instance, I was talking to this girl at work. So she was talking to me and she was like, you sound you know, a little down, or like if, you know, you ready to quit. And I was like, nope. I'm like, oh, I'm good. Although I was a little irritated, but I was like, you won't know. So anyway, so let me interrupt myself for a minute. So what did I get from the grocery store? I got some Nature Valley granola bars. I normally eat these for breakfast, but I also purchased some mini bagels. What else? I had to get re-up on my coffee. Cookie Crisp. Between my favorite cereal is Frosted Flakes. Do y'all hear the landscapers cutting the grass? I'm thankful that they come every 2 weeks, but a lot of times they get noisy. Anyway, so my favorite cereal is Frosted Flakes, Cookie Crisp, and I also like Honey Nut Cheerios. So I got some cereal, I got some salmon that I love getting. It's already packaged. So this one is the lemon pepper, and I have 2 of those, and then I also have the black pepper and brown sugar. So good. What else? I got me some potatoes, so I can make either baked potato or french fries. What else? Oh, I got some fish sandwiches. Y'all always see me buying fish, either fish sticks or fish sandwiches. I gotta have my fries, but let me tell y'all something real quick. Oh my gosh, so disappointed. So this is the 3rd time that I went to Wegmans and they did not have my fries. Now the fries that I like are their brand fries. Wegmans potato with the skin fries, right? So my daughter went there one day. I was like, see if they got my fries. She's like, no, mine, they don't. 3 weeks in a row, or at least a month, we searching for these fries. No fries. I also got some baby spinach for my smoothies. And so we searching for these fries, and every time we go, they don't have them. So I'm like, what is going on? Oh, y'all, also, I love these. Wait a minute. I'm trying to do 2 things at once. Talk to y'all and put this food away. These chicken nuggets, they are called Just Bear. It says antibiotic, no antibiotic ever. But this is the spicy one. But y'all, these taste so good. They taste just like white meat to me, and I love white meat. So, except for my men, dark meat only. But anyway, so about these fries. So I said, if they don't have them today, I'm gonna speak to the manager because this is just ridiculous. So, oh my gosh, I hope y'all can hear me. So, they didn't have them. So I said, I'm gonna just speak to the manager, not the manager, so the guy that was in the aisle putting away the stuff. I was like, do y'all have the fries? And he's like, let me go check. So he goes in the back to check. He was like, no. So then here comes another guy. So he's asking him, do you know what's going on with the fries and the outer? Y'all, the guy told me he think that they are going to discontinue the fries. Y'all, I'm like in tears. So he goes back and check, and he was like, they tried to order them and they couldn't order them, so most likely they're gonna be discontinued. And I'm like, but it's the store brand, it's Wegmans fries. So anyway, y'all, I'm just like so heartbroken. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I had to substitute with these. Now, I do like All Riders, but they're okay. And then this brand right here, Idaho, hand cut. And they got a little bit of the potato skin, but not much. But they don't taste the same. I need those Wegmans fries. So anyway, y'all, that's my rant. So I'm gonna just finish putting this food up, and then just probably chill for the rest of the day unless somebody call me or, you know, want to do something. But other than that, I'm chilling.
I was just so in it. I was just so committed. I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you want to see it back. When I know it's you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go.
So y'all, I got this box in the other day from Amazon, a few items that I purchased. This is the cleaner for my Invisalign that I use at nighttime. So I had to purchase some cleaner. This is leave-in conditioners. That's one of my staples. It's the Aphogee. We have the green tea reconstructor, and this is the Pro Vitamin leave-in. So I love, love, love these. They do really well for my hair. Next is, tripod holder. I need a new tripod holder because the one that I have now, I did something, or either the battery is dead and the Bluetooth thing, I forget what you call it, but that does not work. And not only that, it's not as sturdy. Every time I put it down and try to do something like on the floor, it just doesn't work. So I was like, let me get this one. It looks sturdy, but let me see. Oh yes, I can already tell this is perfect. Yes, sturdy. And it has the little remote thing. Y'all, I forget what this is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It'll come to me after the video. But anyway, so you can put your, y'all, when the weather changes, my allergies, asthma starts acting up. So I'll start coughing and use my inhaler. A couple of weeks ago, I had to go to Keratin first and they gave me prednisone to use to get me together. So and I like this because look, this, you can hold this nice and sturdy, you know. So your camera go here, and then you would screw this on, and then this is for your phone. Okay. So I like this. It seems nice. I know I said it more than once, but nice and sturdy. So that's good. That's the tripod, and these are the glasses that I ordered. I'm sure y'all been seeing these, a few young ladies use these, and I was like, oh, it seems so nice. I can make like cold coffee, or put my smoothie in here. So perfect. Oh, so I guess these are the straws, and I guess these are the coasters, because they're not hard enough and they're too big for the top, so I guess these are the coasters. And this is the container. So cute. Let me see. Oh yeah, so this is the coaster, I'm assuming. Y'all, I got food in the oven. That's my timer going off. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. Back to the video. Y'all know what's in there? The nuggets and my fries. Don't judge. Okay, so that's the containers. Can't wait to use those. I was told if you want to freeze anything in a glass container to leave a little bit of space in the middle. So I have one more thing, one more item. I don't like when that's up there. It just makes it look messy. And what is this? Oh, okay. This is another tripod. Oh, okay. So this is the one I bought. This thing is heavy. Not heavy, but anyway. This you can use, like say you can put this on the grocery cart, or if you're outside taking pictures, I don't know, near a pole or fence, put this on there, and then you can take your pictures or do your videos, and this moves too really good. And then this is, I guess, the connector. You will put you would put this on. I'm not going to fix it up right now. We'll put this on. See, it's the thing that you use to screw it in, and then put this on. So that is it, you all. So this will conclude my grocery haul and my Amazon haul. So you all don't forget, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.